Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to be reviewing Retool, which is a platform that helps businesses build the internal tools faster with a drag and drop interface. So if you are thinking of using it, make sure you check out the discount link in the description and for the latest details and offers. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So first we need to understand what is Retool. So as I said earlier, Retool is a low code development platform that allows businesses to actually build custom internal tools quickly. It offers a drag and drop interface, pre-built components, and integrations with databases and APIs, making it a great choice for teams that need fast, efficient internal software solutions. So here if I talk about the pros, so you are going to get fast development here. Build internal tools without any needing of the extensive code. You will get seamless integrations as well, so you will be able to work with databases, APIs, and third-party services like the PostgreSQL, MySQL, and Stripe. If we talk about the customization, so you are going to get the flexibility with custom scripts and workflows. If we just click on the pricing section in order to check the pricing, you can see for yourself that the pricing can add up. So there is no free plan available. The cost increases as your team grows, so it can be considered as a con, but since you grow your business, you will also make some profits, so that can be cop up. If we talk about the second con that I would like to mention, so there is a learning curve. Although it is easier than coding from scratch, it still requires some kind of technical knowledge to actually maximize its potential. So if you are a business who is looking to build the internal tools quickly and efficiently, Retool is a solid choice for you. The pre-built components, integrations, and customization options makes it a great tool for developers and teams who need scalable solutions. So in case you want to check out the website, you can just use the link in the description. It will be a discount link, so you will get some discount when you go for the paid plan on here. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.